right, dahil Pasko na, Merry Christmas, everybody! And just to let you know, Live Good is Live Good is the perfect gift for this season. Kasi talagang itong Live Good is an opportunity that can actually change life. And this season of Christmas brings hope to everybody. And yun yung binebenta natin sa Live Good. Yung pag-asa na mabago ang buhay ng mga tao. Lalo na yung mga hirap na talaga sa buhay. Kasi feeling nila wala ng pag-asa. Yet eto na. Dumating na si Live Good at Live Good talaga ang talagang magiging solution sa lahat ng mga struggles natin. So before I continue, let me introduce myself. For those na hindi pa ako kilala, I'm Mon Reyes. I'm one of the Live Good business coaches here in Live Good. And by profession po, I'm a registered nurse and a real estate broker. Yes, dalawa po yung PRC ID ko, pero sa ngayon po hindi ko nila ginagamit. Napagdaanan ko na rin po lahat. I've been an employee before and I know the struggles of employees kasi yung iba akala pag employee ka, 8-hour job lang. Hindi po. Actually, pag employee ka na, yung utak mo nasa trabaho mo 24/7. Halos buong pagkatao mo kinakain nung nung employment mo. Alright? So nawawalan ka ng time sa family mo. Even if you're here with them in the Philippines, wala kang time talaga sa family mo. Alright? So I decided to become an OFW afterwards. By the way, nag-OFW po ako for 4 years lang. Bakit? Kasi nangulila ako sa family ko. Nakita ko yung anak ko lumalaki, hindi ako kasama. Imagine, as OFW, 11 months akong wala sa country. And yung 1 month na bakasyon ko, yung 15 days pa doon pag-aasikaso ng dokumento. So talagang wala akong nakakapangulila sa pamilya ang isang OFW. So kung may kilala kayong OFW and OFW family, i-honor nyo po sila. Talagang sakripisyo yung ginawa nila sa buhay. Alright? So 4 na taon lang ako, hindi ko po kinaya talagang magtagal. So what I did, pag uwi ko, I decided to put up a business. Naging entrepreneur po ako. True enough, sa entrepreneurship, malaki po ang kitaan. However, totoo rin yung sinasabi nila na hawak mo yung oras mo. Meaning, pwede ka
This meeting is being recorded.
But, it also means, dun sa flip side niya, pwede kang magtrabaho anytime you need to. Okay, in fact, as a business person, naalala ko, nagde-deliver ako ng mga produkto ko sa kliyente ko at 1 in the morning, 2 in the morning. Kasi kailangan nila kinabukasan. Alright? Now, doing all of this, lahat to pinagdaanan ko at nagawa ko na. Kaya siyang bumuhay ng pamilya. However, hindi po kayang tumupad ng mga pangarap. And that's the reason why I look for other options. I look for other means to earn. And then I found Live Good. And when I found Live Good, talagang kinalimutan ko na po lahat. I'm now a full-time affiliate, coach, mentor, and guide of Live Good. Okay? Now, ayun po yun yung struggles ko. But that's my story. But this presentation is not about me. This presentation is actually about you. Okay? Kasi pwedeng ito ito yung posibleng situation mo ngayon You can be a single parent, tapos kulang na kulang yung sinesweldo mo. Ang worry mo ngayon, paano mo pag-aaralin yung mga anak mo? Yung anak mo gustong magdoktor, maliit pa lang yun na yung pangarap. Paano mo ngayon siya gagawing doktor? Hindi nga magkasya yung sweldo mo dun sa expenses mo. If that's your struggle, Live Good is for you. Or baka OFW ka, katulad ko before. Talagang nangungulila ka every time you leave your family in the Philippines. And yung situation, yung scenario dyan sa airport, every time na may aalis na OFW, grabe. Makikita mo talagang hirap na hirap, hindi lang yung umaalis, pati yung iniiwan nila. Alright? Kung nangungulila ka sa family mo, Live Good is for you. Or maybe you're just starting in your career. Started in your career, fresh grad ka, you got your first job, and then you realize you're overworked, underpaid. Kasi when you received your first salary, alam mo hindi ka kayang buhayin. Much more to pa rin yung mga pangarap mo. Bata ka gusto mo may significance ka in life. Diba? Hindi ka nga kayang buhayin, significance pa. So kung medyo finances yung problema mo, Live Good is for you. Now, you may be in your golden years or malapit ka na mag-retire or retired ka na talaga. Nakakatakot na ngayon yung kinabukasan mo or yung future mo kasi alam mo wala nang income na papasok sa iyo eh. Wala na rin tatanggap na trabaho sa iyo. 'Di ba? Kanino ka aasa? Sa government? Well, good luck, 'di ba? Or maybe sa family mo. But remember, they also have their own family. Much worse baka umasa ka sa charity. Well, wag naman sana. If that's your struggle, then Live Good is for you. Why? Because as I mentioned kanina, no, Live Good is the solution to all our struggles. Because after doing Live Good, this could be you eh. You'll be happy with your family, having no problem with your finances kasi alam mo may pumapasok na income sa iyo. Hindi ka na nag-OFW, hindi ka na nag-abroad. You're all 24/7 kasama mo yung family mo because you're doing Live Good. You're doing Live Good at the comfort of your own home. Or bata ka pa lang pero you already have your future set. Di ba? Kasi alam mo, ito na eh, pumapasok na yung income mo and wala kang problema. You can dream as much as you want to kasi alam mo matutupad na yung mga pangarap mo. Or even at your golden years, you could be free. You could be free to do what you want because you deserve the life that you want to live. All right? Now, how can Live Good promise this? Because Live Good, there's one thing that Live Good offers na hindi kayang i-offer ng employment, ng pagiging OFW, even business. And what is that? Live Good offers you passive income for life. Yes, passive income for life. What is passive income? Passive income, pinaka-simple definition yan, income derived with minimal up to no participation in the business at all. Halos wala ka nang ginagawa sa negosyo pero pasok pa rin ng pasok yung pera sa iyo. Pasok ng pasok yung income sa iyo. Ngayon, this kind of income will give you the time freedom, the financial freedom, and this kind of income will make your dreams come true. Alright? Yan yung pinapangako ni Live Good sa iyo if you would do the business. Okay. Ngayon baka sinasabi mo naman, Coach Mon, pinapangako naman ng lahat ng company yan eh. What makes Live Good different? Okay, let me show you what makes Live Good different. Unang-una, unlike other companies, dito po walang overpriced products. Talagang binago natin tong industriya natin. Kasi sa ibang company, ang mamahal ng produkto. Bakit? Kasi doon nila kinukuha sa produkto nila, doon nila kinukuha yung pambayad nila sa mga top earners nila. Dito tinanggal na po yan. In fact, dito sa Live Good, bawal yung mahal, yung salitang mahal or expensive. Here, our products are almost manufacturing price. Kung magkano po minanufacture, dinagdagan lang ng konti tapos binibenta na sa mga members. That's a benefit for our members. Kasi talagang dito po makukuha natin ng murang-mura yung mga produkto at hindi sinacrifice yung quality. Ang tataas ng quality ng mga produkto natin pero napakamura. Dito, no huge cash out to join. I'm telling you, sa ibang companies, maririnig nyo tong pag-join, yung joining fee, maririnig nyo yan sa dulo ng presentation. Bakit? Kailangan i-hype ka muna, i-excite ka muna eh. Tapos pag talagang gustong-gusto mo nang sumali, tsaka sasabihin sa'yo, to join, you need 18,000, you need 60,000, 100,000. Kaya nilalagay nila sa dulo yan. Dito po, hindi. Ngayon pa lang sasabihin ko na, to join Live Good, you only need $49.95. Magkano yun in pesos? 3,000 pesos, 2,900, 2,850. Ganun lang po siya kababa. At ang maganda pa nito, one time lang yung $40. Okay? Kaya nga dito, no huge monthly auto ship requirement. Hindi tayo kasi required bumili ng mga products kasi nga hindi tayo product centered. Okay? Kung one time lang yung $40, magkano lang monthly natin? You only need $9.95 monthly for your subscription. Okay, magkano yun in peso? 580 pesos. Makatipid ka ng 20 pesos araw-araw. Covered na yung subscription mo. May sukli ka pa. Di ba? Now here, No rank ups based on volume. Kasi nga po, hindi tayo product-based. Hindi natin kailangan magbenta ng pagkarami-raming produkto para lang mag-rank up, para lang maabot yung mga position, yung mga top earners position. Alright? In fact, dito po sa dali mag-rank up, 36% rank up on their first week. Ano ibig sabihin yan? What's in it for you na mga affiliate members dito? Ibig sabihin yan, on your first week, kayang-kaya niyong bawiin yung nilabas niyong $49.95. And I will show you how later. Since hindi tayo obliged bumili ng products dito, there's no selling and no quota. Alright? In fact, dito, you buy what you want when you want. Kung kailan mo gusto bumili, bumili ka. Pero I'm telling you, sa ganda po ng produkto, ikaw mismo, sisiguraduhin mong hindi ka nauubusan ng mga products. Kasi talagang, it would benefit you. It would benefit you a lot, especially your health. Alright? No back to zero. Ano ba yung back to zero na yan? Si back to zero po, yan yung kinakatakutan ng ibang distributor sa ibang company. Kasi alam nila, tulad ngayon, malapit na magpalit yung buwan, alam nila na lahat ng pinagpagura nila ng Nobyembre, hindi nila madadala ng Disyembre. So magba-back to zero sila, i-struggle na naman sila, they're going to work again very hard in order to reach their rank or their income. Dito po, you will be paid for all the efforts you put in Live Good. If you do the business, if you share Live Good to others, whatever successful success you do in Live Good, pabayaran po kayo ni Live Good. That's the reason why Live Good is revolutionizing the industry. Nakita nyo, ibang-iba na po ang itsura ng industriya ngayon. Binago na ni Live Good, lalo ng pinasimple. And that's the reason why ang daming nakakita nito, ang daming nakakita ng kagandahan ng Live Good. And that's the reason why we have over 870,000 paid members as we speak. At wala pa po tayong isang taon. Mag-iisang taon po tayo sa December 13 pa. By the way, month anniversary na po natin ng December. Alright? And we are planning to hit 1 million before December ends. Ang tanong ko, kung hindi ka pa affiliate member, bakit hindi ka pa mag-member ngayon? Para kasama ka dun sa first million members of Live Good. Alright? And that's history. Okay? Because, as I mentioned kanina, Live Good is revolutionizing the industry. Kaya ang daming nag-appreciate eh. The question is, are you ready for a revolution? Alright. To better discuss Live Good, I want to show a video to you done by our CEO, Ben Glinsky. Siya po ang mag-i-explain ano yung Live Good, bakit siya nakakaiba, at bakit mo kailangan sumali ng Live Good. Alright, so sit back, relax, watch a movie. Ito na po yung video. Our CEO, Ben Glinsky.
Hi, this is Ben Glinsky, founder and CEO of Live Good. Over the past 20 years, we've launched and run some of the most successful products and companies in the entire network marketing industry. We've helped hundreds of thousands of people all over the world generate extra income from home, paid out close to $1 billion in commissions, and have been featured all over the internet, in magazines, newspapers, even on TV. People often ask, how have our companies been so successful while thousands of others have failed? The answer is simple: timing. Recognizing trends in the network marketing industry, trends in society, trends in the economy. With inflation higher than ever, gas prices up, causing utility bills to rise, mortgage and rent payments going up, travel getting more expensive, people are looking for ways they can save money without compromising quality. Because of that, the network marketing industry is at a major crossroads. Products have become more and more overpriced just so companies can pay out big commissions and compensation plans. But with buying habits trending away from higher priced products in search of better value, that model just doesn't align with where the industry is going. In fact, if you look at some of the biggest companies in the network marketing industry, like Herbalife, USANA, and Nu Skin, their revenues are down as much as 20% from just a year ago. While companies like Walmart and Costco's revenues are up 9% and 12%. In the words of our Director of Network Marketing, Nader Kazan, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of a compensation plan can get rich are over. That's why we created Live Good. Teaming up with amazing health and wellness experts Ryan and Lisa Goodkin, we've created a line of the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet that people need. And we make them available for as much as 75% less than what other companies are charging for lower quality products. Take our organic Super Reds, for example, probably the best cardiovascular health product ever created. Higher quality with more antioxidant-packed ingredients than even best-selling non-organic Super Beets, and for less than half the price. How about CBD oil? Other companies are selling 500 milligram CBD oil for as much as $80. Ours is the highest quality CBD available anywhere, and with 750 milligrams of CBD, it's 50% stronger for just $18. Not only that, but every one of our highest quality products comes with a full 90-day empty bottle money-back guarantee. If you don't absolutely love any of the Live Good products that you order, simply send back the empty bottle and we'll give you a full refund. No questions asked. So what does all this mean for you? On top of having products that virtually sell themselves in a company that is perfectly aligned with shifting buying habits in the marketplace, we give you all the tools, systems, websites, videos, training, and everything you need to help you earn extra income easier and faster than any other company in the industry. In fact, this video that you're watching right now is part of the industry's most powerful Powerline-driven marketing system that allows you to reserve a free temporary position in our company before you have to commit anything to getting started. What that means is when you enter your name and email on this page, we will immediately reserve you a position and show you everyone who does the same after you by placing them under you in the Powerline. Now, each Thursday night is the cutoff day to lock in your position or miss out. Everyone who locks in their position by becoming a member of Live Good for just $9.95 a month, plus a one-time $40 affiliate sign-up fee, moves to the top of the Powerline above everyone who waits. Those people are then placed in our fast-filling 2x14 forced matrix before all the people below them in the Powerline. So each person is positioned in the matrix in the highest available position following their enroller. By being a member of Live Good, you're going to save up to 75% off the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet to keep you and your family healthy. And if you happen to get some people placed under you in the matrix and you make a few extra $100 a month or a few extra $1,000 a month on top of that, even better. And the way our compensation plan works, you have the potential to earn over $2,000 a month in the matrix without ever having to enroll a single person. And if you do choose to share Live Good products and opportunity with others, you can earn significantly more. In fact, with our matching bonuses, just by enrolling one person, you double your earning potential. With millions of people joining Live Good in the next 24 months, the only place they can go in the matrix is under the ones who are already in there. So the sooner you lock in your position, the higher you'll be placed in the matrix. So fill out the form on the right, and it won't take long for you to see why people are calling Live Good the most exciting company in the industry. We'll see you at the top.
Yes, see you at the top. And true enough, it's the most exciting company in the industry today. Imagine, in 11 months, wala pa pong isang taon, 870,000 paid members. And siguro naman po, nakita nyo na sa video, paano tayo na iba. We're not product-centered company, kaya kaya nating pababain yung prices ng mga products natin. Yung mga products natin, sa ganda ng quality, it practically sells themselves. Tapos we have a 90-day empty bottle money-back guarantee. Lahat po yan benefits para sa inyo, para sa ating lahat. Okay? Kakaiba po tayo kasi hindi nga tayo product-centered. We are more of a exclusive buyers membership club. Okay? Pero unlike other membership club, Live Good po is a membership club that pays. Yun ang kagandahan doon. Tayo po ang tanging membership club na nagbabayad sa mga members nila. In fact, sa ganda po ng compensation plan na maidi-discuss ko mamaya, makikita nyo that the company is so generous in giving to their members, to us, their affiliate members. Okay? Now, if you're not so familiar with membership club, let me show you some. Ito po yung pinaka-popular na membership club ngayon. Si Amazon Prime po. Amazon Prime is pretty much a discount shop siya, pero online. Ngayon, the members would pay $14.99 a month or $139 a year. Meron na siyang 161 million members. Pero ano po yung nakukuha nila? Yung value na nakukuha nila is just an access to their shop whereby pwede silang bumili ng napakababa or napakamurang halaga ng mga produkto. Okay, sometimes they offer free shipping. Pero yun na po yung value nakukuha nila. But members are willing to pay this subscription. Alright? Kasi may value silang natatanggap for their money. Same with Sam's Club. Si Sam's Club naman nasa 100 per year. Pero meron na siyang 47 million members. Nakita nyo, ang dami ng mga members nila. Si Netflix, more on, naman siya, movies, unlimited watching of movies. Kaya nga dito, pwede ka mag-binge watch ng mga telenovela mo. Ito, hindi po libre yan. In fact, we're paying about $9.99 or $15.49 or even $19.99 depending dun sa package na binili natin. That's monthly, So imagine, if you miss a month, tatanggalin nila yung access mo dun sa mga shows nila. And they have 232 million members already. Okay, si Disney, ganun din. However, syempre, focus siya sa Disney shows. Magkano naman sa kanya? $10.99 or $109.99 per year. But they have 42 million members. Napansin nyo, wala ng Disney sa mga cable channels kasi gusto nila doon na bumibili na, nagme-member na, nagsusubscribe na yung mga gusto makapanood ng mga Disney shows. Now, if I can compare Live Good with any of these membership clubs, siguro pinakamalapit na si Costco. However, Costco is more of a physical store in the US as well as other places in other countries abroad. Okay? Ang membership niyan yearly $120 per year. But members are willing to pay that. In fact, they have over 123 million members. They're willing to pay that kasi yung pinaka-value na natatanggap nila, again, access dun sa store nila. The moment you enter their store, dun ka na makakabili ng mga products nila at wholesale price. Alright? Pero kahit isa-isahin natin to, kahit ikwento natin tong mga companies na to sa ibang mga kilala natin at sila mag-member din dito sa mga companies na to, hindi ka po babayaran nitong mga membership club na to. Right? That's how they are designed eh. Sila lang yung tanggap ng tanggaps, kaya company lang yung payaman ng payaman. In fact, napakaganda po nitong industriya na to. This is actually a $1 billion industry. Yung membership clubs, tsaka yung subscription, $1 billion industry po yan. Siguro ang pinakamagandang example na itong si Zoom. Si Zoom meeting po, if you opt to have the 100 participant, you need to pay about $14. Pero ito po, since this is about 1,000 participants, definitely mas malaki yung binabayaran natin. Pero dinaan nila sa dami ng subscribers nila. In fact, yung annual income ng Zoom po ay umaabot ng $4.46 billion. Isang taon pa lang pong kita yan. Alright? Si Netflix, nabanggit ko kanina, ang kinikita po niyan, $31.6 billion annually. Ganyan po kalaki tong industriya na to. Ganyan po kalaki ang industry ng membership club tsaka industry ng subscription. Si Costco po, sabi ko, pwede kang makabili ng product sa loob nung shop nila, di ba? Pero ito, pinag-uusapan lang natin yung kinita nila sa membership club. doon sa kinokolekta nilang annual na $120, umabot po ng $4.2 billion in 1 year. Bakit po? Bakit ganyan kalalaki yung kita nitong mga companies na to? Kasi ang dami nilang subscriber. Bakit marami silang subscriber? Kasi merong value na nakukuha yung kanilang mga subscriber. And pretty much like Live Good, marami po nagiging members ang Live Good. Maraming nag-member sa Live Good and all of them are paying. Most of them, almost 100% is paying their subscription regularly. Bakit? Kasi may value silang nakukuha by being a member. Ano po yon? Yung pag-access nila dun sa shop whereby they could buy the health products, the quality health products at a very minimal cost. Okay? Pero ang kagandahan po, ang pinagkaiba ng Live Good dito sa mga companies na to, kung dito yung kumpanya lang ang kikita, sa Live Good po, pati mga members pwedeng yumaman. Because Live Good is a club membership that pays. You can earn money as a club member of Live Good whether or not you refer other members to the program. Yes po, totoo yan. Pwede kayong kumita whether or not you refer other people to the program. But why? Why would you not share something that is good to people? Especially the people you know, yung family nyo. Sila yung unahin nyo rito. Sabi nga no sa isang proverbs, Chinese proverbs, when you receive something of great value, it is your obligation to share it to as many people as you can. Okay, obligasyon po natin yan na i-share. Lalo na tong Live Good kasi napakagandang opportunity po talaga ng Live Good. Live Good po at talagang makakapagpabago ng buhay natin. Alright? So paano ba nagsimula si Live Good? Live Good was actually launched last December 13, 2022. Mag-1 year pa lang po tayo sa December 13 with exclusive buyers members business model. And our head office is located at Jupiter, 1201 Jupiter Park Drive, Unit 5, Jupiter, Florida, USA. US-based company po tayo. So if you're looking for legalities, maghanap po tayo sa US. In fact, I did that for you. Kaya ito po yung mga nakita kong certification that we are a legit company. I look and search sa State of Florida website. Hinanap ko yung mga list of corporations na registered in Florida. At ito po yung mga certifications na nakita ko. Pati po yung ating registration is very current. In fact, sa April po, we're paid for this year and I know for a fact that Ben will be paying in April for the following year. Alright? So legality-wise, legal na legal po, legit na legit si Live Good. Yun nga lang po, ang mga dokumento niya available sa US. Now, your question may be, how can they operate here in the Philippines? Because we are online. Online po tayo. Si Amazon po, online din yan. Wala siyang office dito pero pwede siyang mag-transact ng business dito kasi online siya. Pretty much the same with Live Good. Alright? So who are the people behind Live Good? Let me show you. Kanina po, narinig niyo na siya kanina, si our CEO, Ben Glinsky. Siya po yung nag-voice over kanina do sa video na pinakita ko. What we love most about Ben is that he leads by example. His focus is on helping others. And that's the only reason that Live Good was created. Kasi po, if you search about Ben Glinsky, retired na po yan. Nag-retire na siya before. He was with the industry before. Multi-level marketing din siya. And naging successful siya. In fact, yumaman to sa industriya. However, he felt bad kasi ang laki ng porsyento ng mga taong sumasali sa kanya ang hindi man lang kumita or much worse na lugi pa. Alright? Now, Ben has over 20 years of experience owning and running some of the most successful companies in the nutritional space. Ben knows how to help people win. And yun po yung naging mission niya nung tinayo niya si Live Good. This time, everybody will succeed. Yun yung gusto niya. Lahat magsasucceed. Kung meron mang hindi, kikita pa rin. Alright? Now, What he did, nag-form siya ng team of experts and champions in their respective fields. Andiyan po si Ryan Goodkin, the Director of Product Development. Ryan has a doctorate in pharmacy and a degree in science and nutrition. Dalawang science po, pinagsama niya. Siya yung product formulator natin. At ang kagandahan po nito, sinabi niya, sa kanya mismo nang galing to I don't create product to sell. I create product to use and for my family to use. Again, another benefit for us members. Kasi alam natin yung mga products ni Live Good, hindi lang premium quality, very safe pa. Kasi wala pong taong magbibigay sa sarili niya at sa pamilya niya ng ikasasama nila. Tama? Alright. And then we have Lisa Goodkin, Director of Product Education. Si Lisa Goodkin naman po, siya yung pinaka-picture ng health. Talagang she lives it, she breathes it, exercise, kinakain niya, lahat ng habit niya is all about keeping her healthy. Okay? Now, ang maganda nito, tinuturo niya po yan. Wellness coach yan holistic yung approach niya. Kaya in product education po, hindi lang niya i-educate tayo about the products. She would even discuss about exercise, sleeping habit, what is best to do para maging healthy. Kasi ang mission naman niya, to make people healthy. Sa kanya nang galing yung lifespan. Sabi, wag daw, let's not be contented with having a long lifespan. But let's also have good health span. Meaning, kahit tumanda tayo, kailangan healthy pa rin tayo para ma-enjoy natin yung buhay. Noder Kazan naman po is a legend in the industry. He's been in the industry for more than 30 years. In fact, 1998 pa lang po, nagtitrain na yan ng mga leaders and coaches sa industriya natin. Kaya he's seen it all. He's seen the good, the bad, the ugly, and the disgusting in the industry. Anong ginawa niya nung tinayo nila si Live Good? Tinanggal niya yung bad, ugly, and disgusting. Tapos yung good, lalo pa niyang pinaganda. Kaya nga po ganun kabilis yung paglaki ng Live Good. Because true leadership creates true success. And that is, again, another advantage, another benefit for us members. All right. Now, let's look at the mission of Live Good, to help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune doing it. Nakita po kasi nila after the pandemic, everybody has seen it, na kailangan nating maging healthy. However, nakita rin natin na ang mahal maging healthy. Kaya iniisang tabi natin yan Mas uunahin natin magbayad ng Meralco, ng ibang bills, kaysa bumili ng mga supplements. However, because of Live Good, binago na po yan. Kasi yung mga high-quality health products available na po at a very affordable price. At kung titignan nyo yung mission, napaka people-centered. Hindi siya company-centered. Diba? Kasi yung ibang company, kung pag tinanong mo, ano yung vision nila? To be the number one in direct selling space, to be the number one in the nutritional space. Puro company. Dito po, tao, to help people. Alright, again, for us, para sa ating mga affiliate members. And I call this a change. And it's time to make a change. Okay, so now let's talk shortly about the products lang. Kasi all the information about the products is available naman in our website. Just to show you, we have over 20 premium quality life-changing health products. And yes, they are all life-changing. Kasi talagang sa bisa niya, sa taas ng quality niya, mababago talaga yung buhay mo. Kasi magiging super healthy ka. And just to show you, ito yung mga certification, logos of different companies that certified our products. Okay, let the science talk. Hindi yung kung ako magsasabi, baka bias pa ako. Diba? Pero ito po, certification, different certification telling you that you have a very good, that Live Good have very good, high-quality products. Okay, not only the products, it starts with the raw ingredients because raw ingredients are from the most pristine location in the planet. Kung saan siya magandang tumubo, doon tayo nag-harvest. Okay? And then we offer world-class manufacturing facilities. All our products are made in USA. Approved by GMP. If you don't know GMP, Good Manufacturing Practice, i-google nyo po yan. Napakataas po ng standard yan bago siya mag-approve ng products. Pero all our products are approved by GMP. Alright? Lab tested for purity and potency. Pure na siya, safe na siya, napakabisa pa. And we are open. We are open, transparent enough to provide certificate of analysis to all those who wants to use our product. Kasi dito po sa certificate of analysis, diyan mo po makikita kung ano yung nasa loob ng mga products natin. At makikita nyo, there are no ingredients in our product that would harm our body. And lahat po ng mga pinasok na ingredients doon sa products natin really would benefit our health. Okay? And we are available in over 200 countries. Not that I'm saying that we have warehouses in all these countries. What I'm saying is we are ready to ship. Okay? Lahat po ng products natin, our products ordering are done online. The moment we order, we place our order, we paid for that order, automatic ipapack na po yan at isi-ship na po yan. And we have very reliable shipping partner. Landmark po yung ating isa sa mga shipping partner natin and USPS. At napaka-reliable po nila kasi dumarating at dumarating talaga yung produkto. Kahit galing siya sa US. In fact, we have another warehouse in Germany. Kahit galing siya sa Germany, dumarating at dumarating po dito sa Philippines yung ating mga products. Okay? Let me show you an example of our certificate of analysis. Ayan po. This is actually all our certificate of analysis is conducted by a third-party laboratory para hindi po bias. Para hindi naman sabihin, kayo din yung nag-certify eh. Hindi po. Kayo din nagbigay ng certificate. Hindi po. So this is done by third-party laboratories and they're showing you exactly what's in each of our products. Lahat po ng products natin meron yan. So as you see, very transparent tayo, no? We are showing everybody, hey, all our products are of good quality. Pero ang maganda niyan, all our products are very affordable. Why? Because at Live Good, you always get the highest quality products at the lowest possible prices. Yes, yan po. Yan yung picture ng lahat ng products natin. That's our everything pack. Lahat po ng products natin kasama na dyan. Alright? Now, bakit tayo mas focused dun sa pagpapababa ng presyo? Kasi po, let me tell you a sad story. Sad story is, dito sa ating industriya, naging gawain na po or naging kagawian na ipatong dun sa produkto, sa presyo ng produkto, yung mga gastusin, lalo na yung pambayad dun sa mga top earners natin. Pero dito po sa Live Good, we don't do business that way. Okay, kasi po ang habol natin dito, hindi lang para ma-improve yung life mo, pati yung health mo talagang kailangan mabago, kailangan gumanda. Because Live Good is not about overpriced product, but about saving people money on health products, which is very important for us right now because we have finally opened our mind after what happened to us. Nalaman natin na kailangan natin maging healthy. And hindi natin pwedeng isantabi ang pagiging healthy. Okay, ngayon po, kahit magbumili ka ng supplements basta sa Live Good galing, kayang-kaya nyo pa rin po bayarin yung mga bills nyo. And in fact, when you start doing the business, mas malaki po yung mapupunta sa inyo, kaya nyo nang tuparin yung mga pangarap nyo. Alright? By the way, yung overpricing of products, it has become traditionally accepted ways in other companies. Kasi nga po, ganun nga po yun. Sa products nila, kinukuha yung pambayad ng warehouse nila, ng country managers, ng mga staff, even yung mga top earners dun sa compensation plan, dun nila kinukuha. Kaya yung mga products nila, after the manufacturing cost, minumultiply nila 10 times, 12 times, even 20 times bago nila ibenta. Kanino? Sa mga distributors din. So para silang ginigisa dun sa sarili ng mantika, di ba? However, kahit yan yung traditional way, we want to put an end to it. By the way, we call that price gouging. It has to end. It has to end. Bakit? Kasi lugi yung mga tao. In fact, yun yung dahilan bakit 97% ng mga sumasali sa networking hindi kumikita. Karamihan lugi pa. Yung price gouging na yan. And we want to put an end to that. As you can see in the illustration, that's David and Goliath. Si Live Good ko, parang si David yan kasi maliit pa. We're still young, we're still a baby. We're 1 year old pa lang this December 13. Yet, damang-dama na yung presence natin ng mga price gouging MLM. Ayan o, galit na sila. Kasi takanta sila, bakit natin pinababa yung mga prices ng products natin and how can we do it? The reason we can do it is we adapted a different model. Yung membership club model, yung subscription model. And because of that, ang dami pong nagbe-benefit ngayon. Kanina nga sinabi ko, di ba? Sa traditional way, 3% lang yung kumikita. Pero sa atin po, 36% kumita na agad. In fact, 30% are already making money here in Live Good. 30% ng members, they're all making money here in Live Good. Kasama na rin po ang inyong abang lingkod doon. Alright? And, ang maganda pa nito, imagine 10 times na, statistically, 10 times agad yun nilaki natin. And palaki lang po ng palaki yun kasi nai-embrace na ng mga tao, nai-embrace na ng mga members yung business natin. Alright? We're not after the giant companies. We're not after the big companies. What we're after is the traditional way of doing the business. Kaya nga sinabi ni Nodor Kazan, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of the compensation plan can get rich are over. Tapusin na po natin yan. Let's do Live Good and let's have a new beginning. Let's have a better industry. Let's make all people win. And that's a benefit for you when you become an affiliate member. All right? Now, I just want to talk shortly about the products. By the way, all the products information are available in our website. All you have to do is browse it. Tignan nyo lang po yung learn more. Marami po kayong mababasa about our products. But let me just stop on some of the products. My favorite, Super Reds. Super Reds po is a vasodilator. So if you're having problem with the heart or hypertension, yan, pwede po yan. In fact, kahit wala kayong problema, maganda po yan. Kasi why? Ang pinapaganda niyan yung ating blood circulation. Okay, when our blood circulation is good, lahat po ng nutrients and oxygen ay nadi-deliver to every cell in our body, making our body function perfectly or at its optimum state. Alright, napakaganda po niyan. And look at the price. Yung pinakamalapit na competitor po natin dyan, ayan, $69.99, $39.95. Magkano si Super Reds? By the way, organic po yan ha. Organic po yan. Talagang certified po yan as organic. Magkano po? If you're a member, you only need to pay $18. Now, if you're not a member and wish to buy Super Reds, pwede rin po. But you have to buy it at retail price. Magkano? Mababa pa rin, $24. Alright? Napakaganda po niyan. Highly recommended po yan sa lahat ng tao. Kung sino man daw ang may puso, kailangan ng Super Reds. Alright? And then collagen. Ano naman maganda kay collagen? Ito po pampabata. Kasi pinapaganda niya yung skin elasticity natin, yung muscle natin, mga joints natin. Napakaganda po niyan. At ang kagandahan dun sa collagen natin, kasi yung ibang collagen available, collagen lang ang laman eh. Our product formulator, our Genius product formulator, nagdagdag po siya ng 3 ingredients that complements the effect or the benefit of collagen, making our collagen peptides even more potent, even more powerful. Okay, look at the prices. $69.95, $79.96 sa iba. Sa atin, pag member ka, $27.95 lang. If you'll buy it at retail, $34.95 lang. Mura pa rin. Alright? Now, ito factor 4, napakaganda po. Kasi almost all diseases nagsisimula yan sa pamamaga. Whether cellular inflammation or whatnot. Now, pag naging chronic yung pamamaga na yan, sad to say, it might even lead to cancer. Pamamaga lang din po yan. Alright? Now, eto na. Live Good, factor 4, napakahusay pong anti-inflammatory. In fact, yung mga ingredients na kasama dyan, they could actually stand alone. Pinagsama-sama pa sa isang botelya or sa isang produkto. Magkano yan? Ang kalaban natin, $56, $58.42. Pag member ka, $18.50. Retail price, $24.95. Alright? Now, if you want to buy the package, meron po tayong tinatawag na International Wellness Pack. At ang kagandahan nito, if you buy this package, yung shipping po would be for free already. Just to give you an idea, yung shipping po niyan, if babayaran natin yung shipping niyan, pwede po umabot ng $20-25. Pero po, if you buy the International Wellness Pack, you'll get the shipping for free. Magkano po siya? Members price is only $89.95. Retails price is $129.95. And if you take all these products, definitely po, holistic yung approach niyan para maging healthy kayo, para mabigyan kayo ng proper nutrition na kailangan ng katawan nyo. Alright? Now, as I mentioned kanina, all of our products, all the information of our products are available at livegood.com. Feel free to visit livegood.com. Pindutin nyo lang po yung products and then there's a learn more button doon. Pag pinindot mo po yung learn more nung kada produkto, doon po makikita nyo yung description ng mga products. Pati yung how to use, papakita po sa inyo. Correct? Now, nakita nyo may members price, may retail price. In fact, yun yung value na matatanggap mo when you become a member of LiveGood. Bukod sa mababa na yung presyo ng mga produkto natin, mas lalo pang bababa if you become a member. So how do you become a member? Simple lang po. You just have to pay for the subscription of $9.95 per month. Or, kung gusto mo makatipid, you cover the 1 year for only $99.95. Makakatipid ka niya ng 2 buwan. Alright? And as LiveGood member, you'll save up to 75% compared to the products in other direct selling companies. Yung nakita nyo pong mga produkto, totoong produkto po yun. Pati yung mga presyo nila, totoong presyo po yun. At nakita nyo naman po yung difference nung price natin, members price natin sa mga presyo nila. Talagang napakababa po. In fact, you're not only saving 75%, most likely you would be saving 80-85% or even 90%. Alright? So ganyan po kaganda yan po yung pinaka-value na matatanggap mo if you become a member paying $9.95 a month. Yun yung sinasabi kong 20 pesos isang araw. Alright? Now, we know for a fact that a dollar saved is a dollar earned. Diba? So dito pa lang kumikita ka na. Kaso in savings lang. Pero ang tanong ko, would you like to earn? Would you like to earn up to $2,000 or more per month? Huwag mong kakalimutan yung or more, tsaka yung per month. Kasi yun na po yung magiging passive income nyo. Yung sinabi kong tuloy-tuloy yung kita mo kahit minimal na yung participation mo or no participation of the business at all. Now, if you are interested to hear about it, stay tuned till the rest of the presentation kasi ngayon po pag-uusapan na natin kung paano kumita sa LiveGood. Alright? Are you ready? Sige po, let's proceed. The only way to do this is to become an affiliate member. You enter the affiliate program of LiveGood. And as LiveGood affiliate, you'll have the opportunity to earn with the most exciting compensation plan in the industry. Ano ba yung affiliate na yan? Let me just briefly discuss it. Si LiveGood po kasi, as direct sales company, hindi po siya nag-advertise sa TV, sa radio, sa magazine, sa billboard, not even in the internet. Hindi po siya nag-advertise. Now, instead of paying for actors or actresses or advertisement airtime, instead of paying for that, ang ginawa po ni LiveGood, nag-create ng affiliate program whereby tayo na mga affiliate members, tayo po yung magpo-promote kay LiveGood sa mga kilala natin, sa mga kamag-anak natin, kaibigan, kakilala, ka-workmate, ka-churchmate, ka-barangay. Diba? Kahit hindi kakilala, pwede natin i-promote si LiveGood. So, LiveGood, para malaman ng maraming tao, tayo po yung pinaka-magiging referring partner ni LiveGood. Tayo na mga affiliate member. So, simple lang po yung affiliate marketing. First and foremost, you have to join. Okay? You have to join, you have to become an affiliate member, and once you're an affiliate member, pwede nyo na pong i-promote si Live Good. And every successful referral you make, you get paid. After promoting Live Good, pag naging successful ka in your promotion, you earn. Okay? Simple as that. Now, your question may be how to become an affiliate member. Eto pa. I'm sure na may nagbigay sa inyo nitong link na to. If you're a guest tonight, may nagbigay nitong link, Zoom link na to. That's the reason why you're here. Kasi gusto niyang i-share sa iyo itong opportunity na to. Hingin niyo lang po yung sponsor link niya. Habang hinihingi niyo po, pasalamatan niyo na rin. Kasi napakaganda talaga nitong opportunity binibigay niya sa iyo. Okay, and then you pay one-time affiliate fee of $40 plus first month subscription of $9.95. Yan po yung sinabi na to join Live Good, you only need to pay $49.95. And ang maganda pa nito, one time lang yung $40. How do you pay that? You can actually use either your credit card, debit card, virtual card, anything that has Visa or MasterCard. So long as it's Visa or MasterCard, pwede po yan. Okay, if you're familiar with cryptocurrency, pwede rin po. Okay, some disclaimer lang, we're not trading crypto. We're actually using crypto for means of payment only. Alright? And then, after that, you only need to pay, since one time nga lang si $40, you only need to pay $9.95 monthly for your subscription to remain a member. Pero if you covered nga, sabi ko nga, you can actually pay for the whole year for $99.95, makakatipid ka pa ng 2 buwan. Ang babayaran nyo na kung susunod doon, na following year na, after 12 months na. Alright? So what do you get when you pay $49.95? May produkto po ba yan? Wala po. Kasi we're not selling you products. We're not forcing any package to you. Hindi namin kayo i-oblige bumili ng produkto. Hindi rin po namin kayo pabibilhin ng products to be able to join. Okay, ano nga kailangan yan? Okay, number 1, you get an access to Live Good Membership Club kasi binayaran nyo yung first month subscription which is $9.95. Automatic member kayo. Ang pinaka-value na makukuha nyo dyan is you'll be able to buy the high-quality products at a very minimal price, yung membership price nga. That alone is a good benefit already. Ano pa? Since Live Good knows that you would be promoting Live Good to people, bibigyan kayo niya ng tools, digital marketing products, tools, and trainings. In fact, itong Zoom meeting na to, thanks to the leadership of our Coach Fernan and all the other diamonds, nag-come up tayo ng Zoom meeting whereby dadalhin nyo na lang yung mga guest nyo dito sa Zoom, kami na magpe-present, kami magko-close, pero yung account sa inyo. This is another tool that you can use and actually abuse. Kasi talagang halos araw-araw magdala kayo ng guest dito. Ang bilis pong lalaki ng organization nyo. Alright? And finally, you get to participate in the most exciting compensation plan in the industry. Actually, if the way I term it, it's the most generous compensation plan. Mamaya makikita nyo kung bakit. Okay, let me show you the digital marketing products or the digital marketing tools that will be given to you as an affiliate. Number 1, you'll have your business site. Diyan nyo po i-monitor yung takbo ng business nyo. Di ba sabi ko, as an affiliate member, tayo yung magre-refer ng tao kay Live Good. So lahat ng directly mare-refer mo rito, makikita mo dyan. Lahat ng mare-refer nung mga na-refer mo rito, makikita mo dyan. Lahat ng mare-refer nung mga na-refer mo rito, makikita mo dyan. Bakit importante yon? Kasi sa Live Good po, hindi ka lang babayaran sa effort mo. Babayaran ka rin po sa effort ng mga tao na naipasok mo dito. Alright? And then itong pangalawa, yung nasa kanan naman, that's our landing page. Yan naman po yung ipapadala mo. By the way, si Live Good, si business site, dyan nyo rin po pala makikita yung earnings nyo. And don't worry, it is username and password protected. You just make sure na natatandaan nyo yung username nyo tsaka yung password nyo para continuous yung ma-access. And don't give those information to anybody para kayo lang yung may access dun sa business site nyo. Right? Now, ito, si Live Good Tour naman, yan yung ating landing page. Diyan po nagre-register yung mga prospect mo. Yan yung ibibigay mo dun sa mga taong gusto mong maging affiliate member din like you. Ang bubungat sa kanila dyan yung video ni Ben Glinsky. Siya na mismo yung mag-explain para sa iyo kung ano yung Live Good. Bakit kakaiba si Live Good? Bakit mo kailangan sumali sa Live Good? Very powerful po to. Ang daming nagjo-join ng Live Good using only this. Right? And then we also have online shop. Okay? Si online shop naman po, bakit tayo may online shop? Remember kanina yung mga products, merong mga retail prices. Kasi people can actually buy our products even without becoming a member. Yun nga lang, they have to pay retail prices. Itong online shop na po to, ito po yung ipapadala mo sa kanila. Those people na gusto lang yung product pero ayaw mag-member. Bakit po? Kasi po, yan dyan makikita nila mga retail prices lang. Ito kagandahan yan. The moment people order through your online shop, meron ka pang commission doon sa mga bibili ng produkto sa iyo at retail price. Alright? Now, nung una, itong 3 lang yung available na website. As time goes, nadagdagan na po ng 2. Yung mga product site natin, yung Super Reds tsaka Super Greens. In fact, meron pa pong isa, si Magnesium, hindi pa po nalalaunch pero ready na. Nag-aabang na lang po. Ang maganda niyan, lahat po yung websites na yan, personalized sa'yo. Pag open nung kilala mo, nakalagay doon yung pangalan nyo. Welcome to Monreyes site. Welcome to Menchi Bautista site. Yan. Yun yung kagandahan yan. Talagang personalized sa yung mga website na yan. Alright, so as you can see, equipped na kayo. Hindi lang kayo pakikitain, i-equip pa kayo para kumita dito sa Live Good. So the question now is, how to make money in subscription? Kasi nga subscription business tayo, di ba? So paano ba kumita? Kanina pinakita mo sila Netflix, yung company lang kumita. Pero sabi mo, dito pati mga members pwedeng kumita. Paano ba kumita sa Live Good? Alright, so tuloy na natin para mabilis. In Live Good, we actually have 2 structures that you have to remember. Kasi ito pong mga structures na to, yung gagamitin para i-compute yung ating mga compensation. We have the unilevel structure. Yan po yung nasa kaliwa ng ating screen. Si unilevel po, discuss ko lang briefly. Si unilevel ko, sabi ko kanina, di ba, you would be referring people to Live Good. Lahat ng directly ma-refer mo successfully will be on your level 1. Now, if you teach these people to do what you did, meaning mag-refer din ng mga kilala nila, lahat ng ma-refer nila, they would be your level 2. And then, if you teach them to teach yung mga kinuha nila, lahat ng makukuha nung kinuha nila, they would be your level 3. And so on and so forth until you reach level 10. Bakit level 10? Because you will be paid up to the 10th level depending on your rank. Nakita nyo, sinabi ko kanina, hindi lang sa effort nyo kayo babayaran ni Live Good, pati po sa effort nung hindi nyo nakilala. So long as they're doing the business and so long as they're under your organization, babayaran po pa rin kayo ni Live Good. So long as you're continuously ranking up or continuously doing the business. Ang kagandahan nito, hindi ka limited to the number of direct referrals you make. You can directly refer 10 people, 100 people, even 1,000 people. Alright? Yeah, you can share Live Good opportunity to as many as you want, to as many as you can. Alright, so that's one structure. Remember that. Ito naman po nasa kanan natin. Yan yung tinatawag na, tama, yun yung tinatawag na 2x15 matrix. Forced matrix po yan. Bakit forced? Kasi po, system assigned yung mga tao sa matrix na yan. Okay, paano po yan? Halimbawa, ikaw yung nasa taas. 2 lang ang taong ikakabit sa iyo ni Live Good. Teka, Coach Mon, sabi mo, unlimited yung pwede kong i-refer dito. Saan mapupunta yung iba? Good question. Yung iba po, since 2 lang ang pwedeng ikabit sa isang tao, yung mga madadagdag mo pa, masasuccessfully refer mo pa, ilalagay yan sa ilalim ng mga nakabit na sa'yo. Okay? Ang tawag dyan, spillover mo sa kanila. Ang kagandahan nito, may sarili kang matrix but you still belong to a bigger matrix. We all belong to a big matrix. Meaning, may mga tao pa po sa taas natin. And when they continuously do the business, chances are, posibleng malagyan din tayo ng mga spillover na galing sa kanila. Alright? Maganda po yan kasi it's just a power of 2. Yung first level mo, since dalawa lang nakabit sa'yo, so 2. Tapos kinabitan ng Tagalawa yung dalawa, that's 4. And then Tagalawa yung 4, that's 8, 16, 32, 64, 1, 2, 8, 2, 5, 6, 1012, and so on until you reach level 15. Kasi sa matrix po, you get to be paid up to level 15 depending on your rank. Now, this has nothing to do with pyramiding or binary. Ganyan lang po magiging itsura niyan talaga. Kasi nga ikaw, kinabitan ng dalawa, tapos yung dalawa, kinabitan ng 4, and so on, magmumukhang triangle talaga siya in shape. Alright? So that's our force matrix and that's our unilevel. Remember that? Kasi dyan natin i-base yung computation ng ating mga compensation. And here in Livewood, we have 7 ways to earn. Yung weekly fast start natin, tsaka retail commission, ang gagamitin po dyan, yung unilevel structure. Yung matrix commission naman, gagamitin pong pang-compute niyan is the forced matrix structure. If you can notice, meron po tayo sa gitna matching bonus kasi parang hybrid yan. Iko-combine yung unilevel tsaka yung forced matrix para ma-compute naman yung matching bonuses na yan. Mamaya po, pag binidiscuss ko na yung matching bonuses na yan, pakinggan nyo po maigi kasi yan yung kita na talagang makakapagpatupad ng mga pangarap mo. Alright, we have other means to earn like influencer bonus, diamond bonus pool, and crown diamond bonus pool, which I will discuss one by one. So let's start. But before we do, inom lang muna ako. Alright. So let's start. For those na gustong kumita, na-mention ko kanina, di ba? 36% of new affiliates rank up on their first week. Meaning they earn back their $49.95 on their first week. How do they do that? Through the weekly fast start bonus, 10 levels deep. Kasi dito po, when you successfully refer people, una ikaw, you have to join by paying $49.95. And then you share the opportunity to others. Every successful referral you make in Livegood, sila yung magbabayad din ng $49.95 just like you. Bibigyan ka ni Livegood ng $25 bonus as fast start commission. Okay, so just imagine if you have 2, dalawa lang ang successfully ma-refer mo, meron kang $50. Bawi na agad yung $49.95 mo. Kaya nga po dito, talagang ang pinaka-target ng lahat ng nagjo-join dito is makapagpasok ng dalawa on their first week. And that's the reason why ang laki ng percentage ng kumikita or nakikita yung mga ginastos nila on their first week. Alright? But don't be settled for just referring to. Refer as many as you can. In this example, 4 yung na-refer niya, may $100 siya. Bukod sa bumalik yung $49.95 niya, may pambayad pa siya ng 2 buwang subscription. Alright? Now, weekly fast start bonus are only for those who share Livegood. Kaya importante itong sinishare natin si Livegood opportunity to many people. Because you can get unlimited from every successful enrollee who pays $49.95. Kasi nga po, unlimited yung pwede nating ma-direct refer dito. So meaning, if you were able to directly refer 10 people times $25, that's $250 for you. Eh kung 20 yan, that's 500. Diba? At padami lang po ng padami yan. Basta, ang usapan dito, every successful referral you make, you get $25. Alright? Eh ano naman yung 10 levels deep? Yung 10 levels deep po, that is if you rank up. Medyo bibilisan ko lang po kasi at the start, when we join as affiliate member, unranked po tayo. We're considered unranked. Even if we successfully refer 1 person, unranked pa rin po tayo. Kasi to become bronze, you need to successfully refer 2 people. Alright? And when you become bronze, ang maganda niyan, you can enjoy up to level 2 ng fast start bonus. Ano yung level 2? Yun yung referral nung ni-refer mo. Alright? Are you getting me? Meaning, hindi mo na trabaho, posibleng hindi mo nakilala, pero kumikita ka pa. Now, if you become silver, you get to enjoy up to levels 3 and 4. If you become gold, up to levels 5 and 6. Pag nag-platinum ka, up to levels 7 and 8. Pag nag-diamond ka, up to levels 9 and 10 ang i-enjoy mo. May corresponding value po yan per level. Okay, so ngayon, meron na naman ako na open ranking. Okay, let me discuss that briefly. Ano ba yung ranking na yan? Sabi ko nga kanina, the moment you join LiveGood as an affiliate member, you are unranked. Kahit nakapagpasok ka ng isa, unranked ka pa rin. Alright? Pero maganda niyan, babayaran ka pa rin ng $25 kasi nakapag-enroll ka ng isa. Now, the moment you were able to enroll 2, you become bronze. Pag nag-bronze ka na, di ba, nag-enjoy ka na ng up to level 2 dun sa ibang compensation. Pag silver naman, you need 10 personally enrolled or yung 3 dun sa mga direct mo, gawin mong bronze. Plus, ito yung importante, kailangan meron 20 active members dun sa team mo. When that happens, you become silver already. Ang dami pong nagsisilver dito in their first month. Some even do it in their first week. Okay? Kasi po, madali po rin maging silver dito. Alright? Now, the next rank would be gold. As gold, you need 30 personally enrolled or 3 direct silver ranks. Nakita nyo, it's people helping people business. Tulungan nyo yung mga nakuha nyo rito mag-rank up, mag-rank up din kayo. Okay? Now, ang importante dito sa gold, you need to have 100 active members. So, hindi kailangan manggaling sa yung 100 na yan. Kahit yan galing dun sa mga taong na-refer mo rito. Yung mga nakuha mo rito. People under your organization doing the business as well. So long as the people in your organization accumulates to 100, tapos meron kang 30 personally direct or 3 dun sa mga direct mo naging silver, automatic gold ka na. Si platinum naman, ang kailangan lang 100 personally enrolled or 3 direct gold ranks with 500 active members. Again, people helping people business po tayo. Now, as diamond, you need 3 direct platinum ranks with 2,500 active members. Now, baka na-overwhelm kayo. 2,500 members, napakadami naman po niyan. Hindi po, hindi natin kailangan sa atin manggaling lahat. To give you an idea, let's say for example, meron kayong 20 directs. Yung 20 directs nyo po, kailangan lang ng tag 125 people in their organization, diamond ka na. Kasi pag tinotal mo lahat yon, that's 2,500. Right? So talagang diskarte na lang po how to become diamond. And reachable po yan kasi ang dami na po nating diamonds. We have over 70 diamonds worldwide. And here in the Philippines, with just 11 months of operation, umaabot na po tayo ng 15, more than 15 diamonds. Alright? In fact, worldwide, meron na rin po tayong 2 crown diamond. So very doable po yung mga pag-rank up dito. Yung isang crown diamond natin, the first is Tim Miller, he's from the US. Yung pangalawa, magugulat ka, matutuwa ka, magiging proud ka kasi Pilipino po siya. Siya yung ating grand upline, si Coach Fernan Santiago. Para maging Crown Diamond, kailangan mo 50,000 active members. Si Coach Fernan po, umaabot na ng 135,000 yung active members niya sa kanyang organization. And that includes you and me listening here right now. Because this is an exclusive Zoom presentation for the Dream Makers worldwide. Alright? So that's how you rank up. Okay, pwede naman i-discuss yan. Nasa website din po yung more detailed explanation of how to do that. Now, let's talk about the monthly matrix commission. This is actually the simplest way, pero wag po ito yung pinakahintayin lang natin, ha? Mamaya discuss natin. Sabi ko nga, ito na yung pinakamababang kikitain mo when you do Live Good. Okay? Kasi here, in monthly matrix commission, all you have to do is subscribe, you wait, and then you earn. Definitely you will earn. If you have the patience to wait and the diligence to continuously subscribe by paying your monthly subscription. Walang papalya. Alright? In fact, you can earn up to $2,047.50 per month without ever enrolling a single person. Yes, you can do that. But, ito po, dinesign dun sa mga taong nahihirapan makapagpa-enroll. Hindi po to dinesign para yung mga tao maghintay na lang. Pero kung gusto nyo po maghintay, pwede naman. Wag lang po tayo maiinip. Alright? Pakita natin yung matrix commission. Dito po, gagamitin natin yung forced matrix structure. Nabanggit ko na kanina yan. Yung mga tao sa matrix mo, posibleng manggaling sa'yo, yung mga nare-refer mo. Posible rin na spill over for you. So, sa mga taong nasa taas mo, na continuously doing the business, posibleng malagyan ka ng spillovers nila. Now, if you will not be doing the business, aasa ka na lang doon sa mga taong nasa ibabaw mo. At darating yung time, magkakaroon ka ng spillover. Pero ang kagandahan yan, if you're doing the business and you teach the people you bring in to Live Good to do the business as well, mas mabilis mapupuno yung matrix mo. Kasi yung mga taong makukuha nila, sa matrix mo pa rin mapupunta. Kasi they would have their own matrix, pero since nasa loob sila ng matrix mo, they still form part of your matrix. Now, whether galing sa iyo, galing sa taas mo, galing dun sa mga nakuha mo, every person na mapupunta sa matrix mo, babayaran ka ni Live Good ng 25 cents every time they pay their $9.95 subscription. Alright? Ang liit naman, 25 cents lang. Huwag po natin maliftin yan kasi malaki po ang matrix. Ito po. Here is how the matrix would look like. For example, ikaw yan, si Orange Man. And all the blue men under you are the people in your matrix. So sabi ko nga, power of 2 lang. Your first level is 2, second is 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 25, 65, 12, 124, 2048, and so on. Until you reach level 15. Alright? Now, each of that person, or every person na mapupunta sa'yo, babayaran ka ng 25 cents. Meaning, let's say nagkaroon ka ng isang tao, babayaran ka ni Live Good, 25 cents. Naging dalawa, the following month, naging dalawa sila, 50 cents na ibabayad sa'yo. And so on and so forth. Pag naging 10 yan, yung 25 cents mo, magiging $2.50 na. Diba? Pag naging 20 yan, $5 na. Imagine, if you have 40 people in your matrix, whether galing sa iyo, galing sa mga nasa taas mo, or galing doon sa mga nakuha mo, basta may 40 people na sa matrix mo, you're already receiving $10 as matrix commission. Magkano po yung subscription natin? $9.95. Meaning, covered na po yung iyong monthly subscription. Kasi palaki lang ng palaki yung matrix mo. Every month may nadadagdag lang na may nadadagdag na tao dito, especially if you're doing the business. Okay? Now, dyan po nanggagaling yung pangako na you can earn up to $2,047.50 even without enrolling a single soul. Ito po yan. Kasi as an rank, Live Good will pay you on your matrix monthly commission up to 12 levels deep. Pag napuno yan 12 levels deep na yan, aabot po ng 8,192 people in your matrix. Times 25 cents, kaya po nagkaroon tayo ng $2,047.50 monthly matrix commission. However, if unfortunately hindi ka talaga makapag-refer ng tao dito sa Live Good, yan lang po yung kikitain nyo. Ang tanong, kailan masisimulang kitain yung 2,000 na yan? Ang sagot po, pinakasimple lang, hindi po natin alam. But, when you do Live Good, when you refer people to Live Good, when you share the opportunity to others, mas madali nyo pong mapupuno yung matrix na yan. Plus, meron ka pang mga additional compensation kasi very generous si Live Good dun sa mga tao tumutulong na makilala si Livegood ng ibang tao. Alright? In fact, when you become bronze or silver, pag nag-rank up ka, you get to enjoy up to level 13. That's already 4,095 times 2 na. Pag nag-gold or platinum ka up to level 14, that's 8,000. Again, times 2, 8,191. Pag nag-diamond ka, you get to enjoy up to level 15. Diamond lang po ang kumikita ng 16,883.50 in their matrix income. Kasi sila lang po nag-enjoy up to level 15. So, ang ganda pong mag-rank up dito sa Livegood kasi talagang napaka-generous ni Livegood magbigay ng compensation doon sa mga taong nagre-refer kay Livegood. Alright? Ngayon, sinabi ko, hindi natin malaman kung kailan mapupuno yung matrix na yan. Pero I'll show you a way, simple way, para mapuno siya. Okay lang ba sa inyo yon? Okay, very simple. The simplest way na madagdagan yung tao dun sa matrix mo is to share Livegood to people. Now, do I have to share it to many? Pwede naman pong hindi. Alright? Kumuha ka lang po ng dalawa. Dalawang tao, and yung dalawang tao, turuan mong kumuha rin ng dalawa. So what will happen? Let's say if you're doing that weekly, on your first week, kumuha kang dalawa. And then, tinuruan mo yung dalawa, kumuha ng dalawa. On their first week, kumuha rin sila ng dalawa. And then, yung dalawa na yung nagturo doon sa dalawang kinuha nila, kumuha ng tagalawa. On their first week, kumuha ng tagalawa yung apat. This is what will happen. Una, ikaw nag-iisa ka. On the first week, nadagdagan ng dalawa yung kinuha mo. And then, yung dalawa, kumuha ng tagalawa. That's 4. And then, the 4 got 2 each, that's 8, then 16, 32, 64. Kung weekly mangyayari to, magiging kultura na sa organization nyo na every time nasasali, kukuha ng dalawa. On the 12th week pa lang po, umaabot na ng 8,190 people in your organization. That means you are already receiving the $2,047.50 matrix income. Now, since you successfully referred to, bronze ka na. You get to enjoy up to level 13. Kailan mangyayari yan? On the 13th week. That is provided kung tuloy-tuloy-tuloy yung mangyayari to doon sa organization mo. Sabi ko nga, pag naging kultura na to. Ang maganda niyan, instead of just getting 2 and then teaching them to get 2, ulitin mo lang yung cycle. Kumuha ka ng dalawa, turuan mo silang kumuha ng dalawa. Pag kumuha na sila ng tagalawa nila, ulitin mo yung cycle, kuha ka uling bagong dalawa. Bagong dalawa, natuturuan mo rin, kumuha ng tagalawa nila. At ulitin mo lang, at ulitin mo lang, at ulitin mo lang. Ang mangyayari, instead na mas mapapabilis yung pagpuno ng matrix mo, magra-rank up ka all the way up to diamond. In fact, nasa level 12 ka pa lang, diamond ka na. Pagdating mo ng level, nasa 12 weeks pa lang, diamond ka na. Pag umabot ka na doon sa 15th cycle of doing it, maka-crown diamond ka na. Alright? Yung example ko, weekly. Pero sabihin na nating monthly. Masama pa ba yun? 1 year and 3 months, puno yung matrix mo. You're already earning 16,000 on matrix income alone. Hindi na po masama yun. It's not a long wait. But again, kailangan talaga mag-contribute lahat ng taong papasok dito. And it has to start from you. Kasi wala silang gagayahin kung ikaw mismo hindi kumukuha ng tao na i-refer dito sa Livegood. Alright, so that's our matrix income. At sinabi ko nga, kung hindi ka nagre-refer, yan lang yung kikitain mo. Ang maganda nito, when you refer people, you get to enjoy the matching bonuses. Sinabi ko kanina, pag diniscuss ko na to, makinig kayo maigi. Kasi ito yung tutupad sa mga pangarap nyo. Ano ba yung matching bonuses na yan? Di ba kanina, sinabi ko, once you become an affiliate member, magkakaroon ka ng sarili mong matrix. Therefore, lahat ng members na may papasok mo rito, masasuccessfully refer mo. Each of them would have their own matrix as well. If they have their own matrix, they would have their own matrix income as well. Ang ganda nito, since ikaw yung directly nakapag-refer sa kanila, Livegood will give you 50% of whatever they earn from their matrix income. buo nilang matatanggap yung matrix income nila. In addition to that, bibigyan ka ni Livgood ng 50% matching bonus. And it's up to 5 generations deep. Alright? So just to give an example, let's say for example, nakakuha ka ng 4 na tao, si A, si B, si C, tsaka si D. Okay, padaliin na natin. Si A ngayon, nagtrabaho, kumikita na ng 1,000 sa kanyang matrix, may 50% ka, $500 sa'yo. A gets to get the 1,000, meron kang additional na 500. Si B ngayon, kumikita ng 500 sa matrix niya, may 250 ka. Si C, 100 lang kinikita sa matrix niya, may $50 sa pa rin. Si D, 200 yung kinikita, meron ka pa rin 100. Unlimited yung pwede mong ma-refer dito. Diba? What if may 10 ganyan? Each of them earning, let's say, 100. So may $50 ka, 10 sila. That's $500. Hindi mo na tinrabaho yun. Passive income na yun. Diba? Kasi matrix na nila yung pinag-usapan mo. Alright, so what about yung generation dip na yan? Ano ba yan? This will only, by the way, matching bonuses are only for those who do the business, who refer people to the program. Kasi nga, if you don't refer people to the program, wala kang direct referral na ima-match ni Livgood. Okay? So yung may mga direct referrals lang, sila lang yung makaka-receive ng matching bonus. Now, the generation dip, the 5 generations dip are for those who rank up. Okay? Let's say for example, di ba sa personally enrolled may 50% ka. Pag nag-silver ka, lahat ng mga tao na nasa ilalim ng personally enrolled mo, meron ka pang first generation silver at second generation silver, tag 10% nung matrix income nila. Alright? Pag naging gold ka, up to third generation yung matatanggap mo, tagpa 5%. Pag nag-platinum ka, up to fourth generation, tagpa 5%. Pag nag-diamond ka, up to fifth generation, tagti 3%. So it is possible that when you are already a diamond, you get to enjoy up to 23% dun sa mga tao nung nasa ilalim ng mga personally enrolled mo. Alright? Now, these are all in percentage, so let me show you some monetary value. Let's say, ayan, first generation, direct sponsor mo, may 10 ka nakuhan direct. Okay, so there are 10 people in your team, each of them earning $100 na lang. This is very possible. Okay? Kasi ngayon pa lang may kumikita na ng lagpas pa sa $100 sa matrix income nila. 50% sa'yo, that's $50. 10 sila, $500. Ngayon yung 10 kinuha mo, kumuha ng tag 10, additional 100 in your team, that's already second generation. And this time, you're already silver. Matrix income kunyari is 100 na lang, 10% pa rin sa'yo, that's $10. 100 sila, that's $1,000. And then yung 100, kumuha ng tag 10, additional 1,000 in your team, you're already a gold, that's your third generation. Kumikita na lang ng $50 na lang sa kanilang mga matrix, may 5% ka, that's $250. 1,000 sila, that's $2,500. And then yung 1,000, tag-5 na lang kunyari yung nakuha. That's an additional 5,000 in your team. Each of them earning $50 na lang din sa kanilang matrix. May 5% ka pa, that's $2.50. 5,000 sila, that's $12,500. Ngayon yung 5,000, kumuha na lang ng tag-5 uli. That's 25,000 people additional in your organization. This time, you're already a diamond. In fact, you're already a crown diamond by then. Diba? Ay, hindi pa pala, 25,000. So, you're already a diamond. Each of them earning na lang $30 and you have a 3% generation. Huwag mo mamalitin yan, 90 cents. Sabi mo, 90 cents lang pala eh. Huwag mo mamalitin yan kasi ang multiplier niyan, yung 25,000 people in your fifth generation. That's $22,500. So, as diamond, you can actually earn up to $39,000 in a month of matching bonus. Okay? Now, this time, I want to show you an actual earning. But before I do that, let me just make some disclaimer kasi we don't show our earnings. However, for educational purpose, pakita ko lang sa inyo yung difference ng matrix tsaka matching. Now, another disclaimer, not because this coach has earned this much doesn't mean na ikaw ma-earn mo rin to. In fact, you can look at it two ways. Posibleng mas mababa yung earnings mo rito, posible ring mas mataas, depending on the effort you put in. Yung earnings natin kasi natin dito sa Live Good will be dependent on the effort we put in. Alright? So let's see. Nung June, kumita siya na sa matrix niya, 1,388. Pero look at the matching bonus. Times 12. $12,367 yung kanyang matching bonus. Di ba sinabi ko ito yung bonus na kakapagpatupad ng mga pangarap mo? Monthly na po niyang kikitain yan kasi lahat ng members tuloy-tuloy na magbabayad ng kanilang subscription. If ever meron mang mag-fall out, iilan lang po, napakaliit na percentage lang. Alright? By the way, dito makikita mo, nung June, diamond na siya kasi diamond bonus pool na hindi ko dinidiscuss. Okay. Another sample income. Nung July naman, this is from another coach, hindi ko alam kung kanino. Nung July ang matrix income niya is 1,299. Pero look at the matching bonus for 44,810. Bakit po ganyang kalaki yan? Kasi malamang nasa 400 yung kanyang directs. Tapos yung mga directs niya nagkaroon din ng mga kanilang mga matrix, kanilang mga referrals. Di ba? And look at the diamond pool. Umabot na ng 24,000 kasi inabot niya na yung highest position so far, yung crown diamond. Alright? Ngayon, I'm showing you this not to brag or to hype you up or whatnot. I'm showing you this to tell you that Live Good is very generous in giving compensation. So long as you're doing the business right, so long as you're really sharing the business to many, iko-compensate ka ni Live Good. Kaya wag na po tayong mag-umasa na lang dun sa matrix income, sa spillover. Let's do the business, let's share it to as many as we can so we can enjoy the benefits that these coaches are already enjoying right now. Okay, so just to show you, let's say for example, you have 20 directs. Ito hindi ko nabibilangin yung mga generations, yung mga matching na lang na 50%. You have 20 directs, lahat po hanggang 2,047.50 lang. Siguro naman alam mo na ibig sabihin yan. Meaning hindi sila nag-bronze man lang. They remained unranked. Alright. So yung earnings nila, yung matrix nila napuno, umabot ng 2,047.50 yung kanilang monthly earnings. Ngayon, may 50% ka doon. That's 1,023.75. 20 sila. So you get $20,475 monthly income as your matching. Bukod pa yun sa matrix income mo. That's a total of 1.1 million peso monthly income. Pag ganyan po yung kinikita nyo, talagang matutupad na yung mga pangarap ng, hindi lang pangarap mo, pati pangarap ng pamilya mo matutupad na. Di ba? What if you have 30 directs? This time, yung 30 directs mo, nagtrabaho, umabot ng 6,000 yung kanilang earnings sa kanilang matrix. May 50% ka, that's 3,000. If 30 sila, that's $90,000 monthly income. That's 5 million monthly in peso. 5 million peso monthly income. At this point po, talagang hindi lang pangarap ng pamilya, pati pangarap ng church mo, tsaka yung mga gusto mong tulungan, mga foundation, matutupad mo na rin po. Alright? Now, there would be people in your organization na talagang may makukuha ka rito na sasabihin sa'yo directly, I don't want to do the business. Okay lang po yun, tanggapin nyo pa rin sila ng maluwag. Pero humingi kayo ng isang request. Sabihin nyo, sige, okay lang yon, pero ipasok mo na lang, do me a favor and do yourself a favor, ipasok mo yung dalawang family member mo. Why? Because the moment you do that, they become bronze. And bronze, when their matrix fills out, their matrix income is 4,095.50. Ngayon, yung dalawang kinuha mo, pag napuno yung matrix nila, each of them will receive 2,047.50. Dalawa sila. That's 4,095. May 50% ka pa kasi din mo sila. That's an additional 2,047.50. Pag sinamap mo yan, umabot ng $10,238 yan, monthly income. All you did is add two family member and then continuously pay for their subscription. And dumating yung time na puno yung mga matrix nyo, eto na yung kinikita nyo as a family. Papasalamatan ka nung kaibigan mo kasi instead of just earning $2,047 or around 100,000 pesos, ang kinikita na po niya kalahating milyon buwan-buwan. That's their family income. Now here in our team, Dream Makers Worldwide, meron tayong vision. Yung vision natin, 100 solid direct referrals. What does that mean? Meaning, you have 100 direct referrals na each of them would want to become diamond and eventually magiging diamonds din silang lahat. Okay, so what will happen? At as diamonds, pag napuno yung matrix natin, kikita tayo ng 16,383.50. 50% sa iyo kasi matching mo 8,191.75. 100 sila. That's $819,175. Magkano yan in peso? 45.8 million pesos po yan, monthly income. I'm not saying this will happen overnight. I'm not even saying this will happen in 1 year or 2 years. Pero in time, since this is a vision, nakita na po ng ating Coach Fernan na nangyayari to, posible pong mangyari talaga to. At malamang po, mangyari po to sa atin. Alright? Posible po ba yan, 100 directs? Yes, in fact, Coach Fernan himself already has 400 plus directs under him. Alright? Now, this only happen if you rank up, if you become diamond. Kaya importante po dito talaga na mag-refer ng mga tao and to rank up all the way to crown diamond. Now, the simplest way is to continuously invite people, directly refer people. However, bibigyan ko kayo ng simple way. Okay? Kanina pinakita ko how to fill up your matrix, invite to, get to, teach them to get to, di ba? If you want to rank up, you get 3 and teach them to get 3. Bakit? Di ba pinakita ko kanina yung how to rank up? Always merong 3 leg na natutulungan mo mag-rank up din. If you want to be silver, dapat meron kang 3 legs na diamond. That's one of the options. If you want to be gold, may 3 legs kang silver. So it's people helping people business. And the only way to rank up, simplest way, to get 3. Okay? Get 3, teach them to get 3. This is what will happen to your organization. Una, ikaw lang, kumuha ka ng 3. Yung 3, kumuha ng 3. That's 9. Yung 9, kumuha ng 3, 27, 81, 240, and so on. On the 7th week pa lang, provided this happens weekly, diamond ka na. Because you already have 3,279 in your organization and ang kailangan lang ng diamond, 2,500 active members. Alright? Pag nagtuloy-tuloy pa yan, weekly, on the 10th week pa lang, crown diamond ka na. 50,000 lang yung kailangan ng crown diamond. Eh. Ikaw meron ka ng 88,572. Alright? That is if this happens weekly. Or maging kultura na dun sa grupo nyo na kada may papasok, kukuha ng tagatlo. Eh, let's say for example, maging monthly na lang to. In 1 year, kayang-kaya mo po maglagpasan yung pagiging crown diamond. And kung ganito nakalaki yung organization mo, ang dami na pong natulungan na tao. Alright? Marami na pong na-bless dahil sa inyo. And that's priceless. Alright? Meron pa po tayong mga ways to earn like the retail commission 10 levels deep. Si retail commission para pong fast start yan. Meron kang 10 levels deep din siya and you'll be given 50% ng ano. Di ba kanina may pinakita akong retail price tsaka members price. Yung difference po, no, let's say for example, the retail price is $20, the members price is $10. So may difference na 20 minus 10, $10. Hindi po mapupunta sa iyo lahat yon. 50% nun mapupunta sa iyo. Pag ikaw yung nakapagpa-retail. Alright? So 50% of every retail sale you get. For every retail sale, you get 50% of the difference between the retail price and the members price. Maganda niyan, meron tayong 10 levels deep. Pretty much the same like the fast start. If you're a bronze, you get to enjoy up to 2nd level, silver to 4th level. Pag gold ka, 5th and 6th. Pag platinum ka, 7th and 8th. Pag diamond ka, all the way up to 9th and 10th level. That only means kahit hindi na benta, kahit benta nun ng mga hindi mo kilala, hindi mo pa nakikita yung muka, posibleng kumikita ka pa rin kasi nasa loob sila ng organization mo. Alright? May influencer bonus din tayo. Ano naman yung influencer? Yan yung mga sikat na sa TikTok tsaka sa YouTube. Yung may mga followers na. And what do followers do? They follow. Diba? So let's say for example, mag-ano ka lang, magtimpla ka ng kape and then tell all your followers to get your shop link and then buy coffee from them. Guess what? Yung mga true followers mo, they would do that. Now, as your monthly retail sales increases, dinadagdagan ni good yung 50% na binibigay sa'yo. Okay? Pag umabot ng 2.5, dadagdagan ng 10. Magiging 60% na. Pag put ng 5,000 plus 20, 70% na. Pag umabot ng 10 plus 30, 80% na. Pag umabot ng 25 plus 40, 90% na. Ang kagandahan yan, if in 1 month you're able to sell 50,000 or more, sa'yo na yung buong difference ng retail price tsaka members price. Kasi dadagdagan ng 50% yung 50% na originally binigay sa'yo, making it a total of 100%. Kaya meron din pong kita sa pagre-retail price at malaki, especially if you're already an influencer. Alright, so why do I always ask you to rank up? It's because of this. Bakit ko pa ulit-ulit sabing umabot tayo ng diamond? It's because of this. Diamond gets to enjoy a profit sharing of 2% for all the profits generated by the company worldwide. Okay, ang gagawin ni company, pagsasama-samahin, i-compute magkano yung kinita natin sa products, sa affiliate, tsaka do sa subscription, magkano kinita natin? Okay, kuha tayong 2%. Ano gagawin doon sa 2%? Hati-hati lahat ng diamonds. Alright, right now we have over 70 diamonds worldwide, pero yung diamond bonus pool nila umaabot po ng 6,000 monthly. Now, don't be contented with that kasi meron pa po tayong isang rank, the Crown Diamond Bonus Pool, because the Crown Diamond gets to enjoy the 2% profit sharing plus 0.5% of all the income of the company. Sa ngayon po, may dalawang Crown Diamond at nakita nyo kanina yung kinita ng isang Crown Diamond sa loob ng isang buwan. Yung Crown Diamond, yung bonus pool niya umabot po ng 20 plus thousand. Kaya dito po talagang very generous ang company when it comes to ano. Ang ganda nito, lahat ng diamond, lahat ng Crown Diamond, they all started as affiliate members. Just like you and me. Kaya lahat po tayo may chance maging Crown Diamond. At isa pang kagandahan nito, sinishare nila kung ano yung ginawa nila kung bakit sila naging Crown Diamond. All we need to do is follow their footsteps. Follow what they did. Diba? Grind as they grind. Alright? So if you're an affiliate already, I want you to target this. I want you to make this goal. Be a Crown Diamond. If you're not yet an affiliate, be an affiliate member. Para kasama ka na doon sa equal footing. Kasama ka na doon sa may chance maging Crown Diamond. Okay? And just to give some more reason why you should join, number one, we just officially launched globally. Batang-bata pa po tayo. In fact, we're still considering ourselves at the pillar stage, not even at the pioneer stage. Meaning, pag pumosisyon ka ngayon, isa ka sa mga unang magbe-benefit ng paglaki ng Live Good. Alright? Number two, highest quality and very affordable health products. Kayang-kaya na po nating magpaka-healthy. Aanhin natin yung yaman natin kung hindi tayo healthy. Kaya importante rin po mag-healthy tayo. Even though we're not obliged to buy products, I highly recommend use the products kasi napakaganda po nila. Alright? Marketing system tools and trainings. Pinakita ko na po sa inyo. In fact, this is one of the tools you can actually abuse. Other than this, meron po tayong weekly trainings, both local and international. And sa YouTube po, manawa kayo sa training. And importante ma-attend kayo ng training. Why? Kasi yan yung magpapatas ng conviction nyo that Live Good is the solution for all your struggles. And Live Good is the solution that will give you the time freedom and the financial freedom. And lastly, a very simple, powerful, and lucrative, sabi ko nga, very generous plan. Nakita nyo naman sa discussion ko, talagang binibigay ni Live Good yan. Now, we are just starting. Kumbaga, tip of the iceberg pa lang tayo. Yung 870,000 members, wala pa po yan. Just look at the vision. Look at 10 years from now, 5 years from now. Baka nga 3 years from now pa lang, umabot na tayo ng 200 million members. Now, if you're already on top there, andun ka sa isa sa una, you're one of the first million subscribers or million members of Live Good, you are in a better position to receive these benefits. Now, if you're already an affiliate, don't let go. Huwag kang papalya sa subscription mo. If you're not yet an affiliate, be an affiliate right now. Right after this presentation, call the person you invited you, mag-affiliate member ka, pay your $49.95 and start doing Live Good. Kasi ang laki po nang nawawala sa inyo. Ang laki ng ipagpapalit mo for the $49.95 na ititipid mo. Alright? This is actually a $10 business. Pero nakita nyo naman, umaabot ng 74,000 yung kita buwan-buwan. Alright, but the decision is still up to you. Hindi ka namin pepwersahin. We're just here to give you a presentation, to give you an idea, to give you a better option. But if you don't want that option, okay lang. Actually, you have 3 options here. Letter A, I'm in. If that's your choice, register with your sponsors link and pay for the $49.95. Become an affiliate member and work your way up to become Crown Diamond. Or letter B, you want to shop at member's price. Okay lang po. Pay the $9.95 membership fee. Yung subscription and get to enjoy the 75% lower pricing ng mga products natin. Pero ang tataas ng quality. Letter C, pwede rin no thanks. Pero I highly recommend for you to use the product. Kunin nyo po yung shop link nung nag-invite sa inyo dito. Get the products in retail. Mababa pa rin naman eh. Bakit? Para sa health nyo naman yun. Alright? Again, the decision is up to you. But maybe I can help you make that decision. Kasi this can be you today eh. You can be overworked, underpaid, you can be financially unsecured. Or pwede naman maganda yung trabaho mo, maganda kita mo, kaso wala kang time. Pwede rin OFW ka, nangungulila ka sa family mo. Now think about this. What will happen to you when you retire? When finally there's really no means for you to earn? Have you thought about that? Kasi if you're fearing your future, then I want you to use your imagination and imagine this. Imagine if you do Live Good today. Where will you be in the coming years? Actually, I've seen this happen. I've seen this happen to those na nag-start this year, nung January, nag-start nung February, nung March. I've seen this happening to them and continuously happening to them. They have more income than bills each month. Hindi na po sila natatakot kay due date tsaka kay Juna. Wala na silang problema sa kanilang gastusin. They have more time spent with their family and friends. Alright? And ito, napakaganda. If you're earning so much, you would have a debt-free life. You would have a life without debt. At ang maganda to, if you don't have debts, you would have more forgiving. Pwede mong ibigay yung sobra mo dun sa mga mas nangangailangan sa'yo. And quality time. You can take vacation as often as you like. You can do the business anywhere. You can do the business at the beach. In the airplane, kung provided na pwede ka mag-Google doon or mag-laptop doon, pwede. Diba? Now, we leave the decision to you. But remember this. We make decision every day. Some decision we make makes our life worse. But some decisions make our lives naman better. Now, if I were you, I would highly recommend for you to do Live Good, because Live Good is the vehicle that can change your life for the better. All right? So I'm done with my presentation, and I really hope I brought value to you, and I really hope I helped you make a decision. If you're a guest now, I really hope that I really made you help you make the decision to join us in Live Good.